Understanding when in defining relative clauses. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English grammar journey. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic: the use of when in defining relative clauses. We'll discuss what defining relative clauses are and how to use when to indicate specific times in these clauses. Let's get started. First things first, what are defining relative clauses? These are clauses that provide essential information to define or identify the person or thing we are talking about. Without this information, the sentence may lose its meaning or become unclear. A relative clause begins with a relative pronoun like who, which, that, or in our specific case today, when. Let's consider an example. Do you remember the day when we first met? In this sentence, the defining relative clause is when we first met, and it is crucial for identifying the day. Now that we understand what defining relative clauses are, let's see how when is used within them. When is a relative pronoun we use to refer to times or dates. Consider this sentence: I'll never forget the day when I passed my driving test. The part of the sentence, when I passed my driving test, is a defining relative clause, providing crucial information about the day that the speaker will never forget. Let's look at a few more examples to make this crystal clear. 1. I remember the year when we moved to this city. The defining relative clause, when we moved to this city, provides essential information about the year. 2. The moment when the fireworks started was magical. Here, when the fireworks started, is the defining relative clause, giving necessary information about the moment. Through these examples, it's clear that the use of when in defining relative clauses adds more depth and meaning to our sentences, particularly when talking about specific times or dates. We've come to the end of our journey today, exploring the use of when in defining relative clauses. I hope you found this lesson helpful and that it's added a new tool to your English language toolkit. Remember, practice is key when learning grammar, so try to include defining relative clauses in your conversations or writings. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.